Alright guys, so now may unboxing ako guys for my Christmas present from my husband. Alright, this one guys, it's Fendi. So I choose this gift guys, so let's see, unbox this. We have a dust. So, ayan guys. So, alam nyo na kung ano to. It's a sunglasses. Ayan. May F siya dito sa side. Made in Italy siya guys. Made in Italy. Ayan. And then, there's F again at the side. So guys, I'm not into brand guys, but this one I'm like, where's the sun? But artista ang peg natin dito guys. Artista ang peg. Ayan. Bagay ba? Patsa. There you go. So, bye guys.